All right, everyone. Today we're going to take a look at factoring some polynomials. We're going to look at these first two examples today. Probably look at grouping in quadratic form another afternoon. So these first two, the reason we're looking at them, guys, they're special cases. Okay? Like if you remember when we factored quadratics, the difference of two squares, where you had x squared minus 4. And they're both perfect squares, guys. You could factor this to x minus 2, x plus 2. Okay? Well, difference of cubes and sum of cubes, they're special cases. They follow a pattern. All right, so difference of cubes. If you had two perfect cubes, I'm just going to use a and b for this first example. This would factor to a minus b, and the other factor would be a squared plus ab plus b squared. All right, so let's look at this first example here, guys. 125u cubed. 125u cubed is 5u to the power of 3. And then that's minus 4. 64 is 4 to the power of 3. So how this is going to factor, this is going to be a minus b, 5u minus 4. It's going to be 5u squared, so 5u squared is 25u squared, plus 5u times 4, a times b, is that middle term, 20u, and then plus b squared, which is 4. 4 is that b part, so 4 squared is 16. So that is how you factor a difference of cubes. A sum of cubes factors to, so sum of cubes adding two cubes, that's going to be a plus b times a squared minus a times b plus b squared. So example 1 here, that's a sum of cubes. That is 4x cubed plus 3 cubed. So how are we going to factor that? A plus b, so 4x plus 3. And then it factors to a squared, so that 4x term, the first term squared, 16x squared. Multiply the two terms times 3, and we're subtracting it in this case, so it's going to be minus 12x. And then it's going to be plus, well, 3 squared, so plus 9. So that's the factoring of a sum of cubes and the factoring of a difference of cubes. Okay? So they just follow these patterns. Okay? We'll look at grouping and quadratic form tomorrow. Yeah, that'll be it for today. Okay? I'm going to put a pause on. I'm going to put up a couple of these and ask you guys to be able to factor them. So, again, they're just following these patterns here at the top. Okay? Thanks for watching today, guys. Have a wonderful afternoon. Guys, the reason... actually...